When you have at least a laptop and an internet access, you are in business. It can be more comfortable to be at home with a big screen than working on a laptop with a smaller screen. But in the digital economy, a laptop is enough to do your business. The laptop lifestyle automates all the marketing and a big part of your business to let you have the time. The time to work on your business, to expand it, but also the time to be with your loved ones, to travel around the world, or to live your passions. A smartphone or a tablet helps and assists, but cannot be used to do everything. If you make a video, you use your smartphone. But it's not very easy to enter text or edit a website on a smartphone. This kind of operation, if possible, can take you too much time to do it. Enter the information age and work differently. Why do you have to work specific days or at a particular time, such as in a 9-to-5 job? You can regain full control of your life and achieve time and financial independence. And independence means the freedom to decide when and how much time you devote to your work, your passions, or your loved ones. Stop having bad Mondays and good Fridays. Turn all your days into good days. Don't hesitate to contact us to learn more. Visit deservedlifestyle.com. Our mission to help people create the lifestyle they deserve.